guys, I have a quick 2-minute tip for you. So how do you like this as the background? Isn't that pretty? It's like just glittery polka dots, and they all seem to be pretty perfectly round. Well, this is pretty simple to do, and you could do it too. I just take some glue dots and some extra fine glitter, and I put the glue dots down wherever I want them, and it's okay to touch them. I just wouldn't like rub on them or anything because then you'll get the stick off, but if you just touch them so that they are stuck completely to the paper and you know that they're stuck, that's all you need to do. And you just place them randomly wherever you want them on your paper, because again, you're just making some background. And I'll do one more. Oh, there's one stuck on this side of my paper, so I'm gonna just take him off because he didn't come off as a perfect circle anyway. So I just won't use him. Sorry, that was just nonsense. But and my trash bag fell down. Goodness gracious, this 2-minute tip Tuesday is turning into a longer one just because I'm screwing up. Well, things aren't cooperating. Maybe I should say that. Then you just take some extra fine glitter and just pour it over your glue dots. And then what I suggest is using a card. So here's another tip. And then closing your card on top of it so you're not getting glitter all over your fingers, but you're pushing that glitter down really nice and tight onto the glue dots. And then you open it up, clean off your paper, and there you go. Isn't that cute? What a great idea. And then you have a really cute background, and it totally matches whatever glitter you might be using for a project or whatever you might like. And it's easy and fun to do. So there you go. That's your tip for this Tuesday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.